A small creature moved like a drifting leaf, hoping danger would pass as a giant shadow glided above. It whispered, "If I look like the forest, maybe the forest will protect me." Another creature shimmered with colors it didn't own, saying, "If I pretend to be fierce, maybe fear will keep me safe." A third copied the stillness of a stone, breathing slowly as footsteps thundered nearby. Each lived by learning, shaping itself to survive, and a quiet voice rose beneath it all. "You don't have to be the strongest. Sometimes you just have to adapt."